YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix Windows level update preview for KB5065790 Windows level 23H2 installation error. If it is getting this error, simply please step right to this error, fix it. Before like this video, subscribe to support our YouTube channel. In these steps, one by one follow to this problem, fix it. Let's start the steps. First step for the services. So go to that Windows search bar, then type that services. Just click to open it, then service. Then scroll down, find Windows Update. Then click to right click on the properties. Then go to the startup type, check it here. Select the manual. Then don't change it. Come to if the service status is stopped, just click on the start button, click here to change the running. Then go to the hit the apply and OK button, click here to close it. Then go to that next step. Command promote shortcut for the CMD. So go to the Windows search bar, then type the CMD. Just right click on the run as administrator, click on it. Then confirmation, yes, click here. Then this commands all description inside, then copy to paste. First command for IP on page, give the space /dns. The next command net insect, give the space and reset. Hit the enter. The next command sfc, give the space /scan now. Hit the enter. Then this process will take some time, so wait here. Verification 100% completed, then only. Then come to back. I will skip it this time and that. Then go to the next step. Windows update file delete. So sometimes if your Windows update file corrupt, if it is getting this error, so go to the file explorer. Then click on the local disk C. Then click to select the Windows folder, tap to open it, then scroll down, find software distribution, tap to open it, then go to that selected all the files, then right click, just click on the delete button, click on all folders, delete. Once it delete, then close it, again check it, again it not working, then go to the next step for the troubleshoot your Windows update. So go to the settings, then search in settings, type for Windows update, just hit the enter, then scroll down, click on the find and fix problem with Windows update, then troubleshoot options show here, then just click on the next button, click here to start that detecting problems, found that your issues. So wait 5 minutes or there is process, take it few seconds or few minutes, so wait. Then finally show that the pending system changes record reboot has been detected. So click on the next button, click here to finish it, then go to that. Finally your Windows update, check it now. Then go to the Windows update, then click on that download and install button, click here to your problem, fix it now. Normally working and updated that your system. And don't forget